country of Rwanda is nestled at the heart of Africa and is home to 3 tribes, one of which is the Batwa, or Twa for short. The Twa are known for their pottery making and is their main source of income. Others are heavily involved in agriculture and farming. Following the genocide of 1994 between the Tutsi and Hutu tribes, the Batwa were forced to relocate many of their villages into the mountainous regions of Rwanda. This move greatly affected their source of food. The move not only had an effect on their community as a whole, but especially on their children. Kwashiorkor is a form of malnutrition caused by a lack of protein in the diet. It greatly affects children under the age of 5. Protein is essential for muscle and bone growth as well as tissue repair. Signs and symptoms include swollen legs, swollen or distended stomachs, patchy hair, saggy skin, hair discoloration, skinny arms, loss of energy, and irritability. Kwashiorkor is treatable, however, if not caught early, the effects can be permanent. Treatment includes eating a diet sufficient in proteins like dairy, eggs and meat, fish, and legumes. Because many Batwa do not have access to these types of foods, using their farming experience and knowledge, they can grow complementary proteins to combat it. Complementary proteins are when you combine 2 or more foods that are incomplete proteins to form an adequate amount of all essential amino acids. Examples of complementary proteins include legumes with grains like rice, nuts, and seeds. The mountainous region in which the Twa live has an ideal climate for growing such foods. These foods can produce in abundance all year long. Excess food can also be used for selling or bartering among tribes, allowing the Twa to gain access to other protein sources like dairy, eggs, and meat. By growing these complementary proteins, the Batwa can help reduce the amount of malnutrition within their tribe and treat those already affected.